Keystone Electronic Controls 50PINT Dehumidifier, 70 pint 2012 DOE standard. Efficiently remove up to 50 pints of moisture from the air per day. The dehumidifier works quickly to absorb moisture out of a 4,500 square foot space to improve your air quality on many levels. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Reliable, convenient and easy to use. In need of an effective way to manage the moisture in your air? Buy our dehumidifier and create a comfortable space with fantastic air quality. Adjust to your ideal settings using the electronic controls with LED display and let the machine do the work to control humidity levels. The settings include normal, turbo, and auto defrost. Other functions include an auto restart, a full bucket alert, a clean filter alert, and an automatic shutoff function. Number 2. Eliminates moisture, odor and bacteria from humid air. Place the Keystone Portable Dehumidifier in various locations throughout your home or apartment, such as your attic, bedroom, basement, bathroom, garage, or any other environment you would like to prevent allergens. Breathe in the clean, fresh air again. Number 3. Quiet and energy saving. Our dehumidifier is quiet so you will barely notice it is on. Also, it is ENERGY STAR certified, so it will perform reliably without driving up your energy bill. Number 4. Reap the many benefits. Protect your home and keep it safe in the unforeseen event of a storm or weather disaster. Use this in your washroom, closet, or laundry room to dry your damp clothes faster. Whatever your purpose is, this dehumidifier will help absorb water from your surroundings. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.